Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
Hi, I'm Madison from Nanit, and I'm going to be talking about our smart baby monitor. It is a HD overhead monitor that lives above the crib. The camera uses computer vision to track sleep and breathing. So you can get a bunch of different sleep stats based on your baby's sleep behaviors. So it's all app-based. This is a sleep dashboard. So this is going to give you insight on how your baby slept throughout the night. Using the AI and computer vision technology, we're able to track how long it took your baby to fall asleep, how long they actually were asleep, how many times you went into the room. You can click in and see what kind of visit it was. Were you checking in and just peeking in, or did you actually pick the baby up? And then you can even watch the visit. And then lastly, we track sleep efficiency, so you can know how well your baby is sleeping and then see trends over time. You can click in to see a night summary. So this is going to show you a 60-second time-lapse video of your baby's entire night. You may see what happened during the night, things that you, maybe the pacifier ended up on the other side of the room, and you may be able to see what kind of little mysteries happened. We also track daytime sleep, so these are nap time stats. And then the magic with Nanit is our sleep tips. So these are scientifically backed from an on-staff pediatric sleep expert telling how to get your baby more sleep. These are based on your baby's sleeping patterns and behaviors. So if Nanit senses that you're not getting your baby to bed at a consistent time, then it's going to ask you to try putting your baby to bed at a consistent time, and then give you an achievement, similar to like a Fitbit style or Apple Watch, achieving your stand goal. And then we also, in addition to sleep, we track breathing. We do this by the camera being programmed with specific algorithms that track the specific pattern on this breathing band. We also have a swaddle, and then we have a sleeping bag. All three products, as you can see, have this pattern. The idea is that you're going to swaddle your baby most likely around the first 4 months. Once you are done swaddling, you may transition the baby either to the band or sleeping bag that both have the pattern all the way around. So once the baby's rolling over, you'll be able to still see if they're breathing, even if they're face down or on their side, etc. So that's breathing wear. It tracks baby's breaths per minute and gives parents extra peace of mind. So what we're launching this year at CES is Nanit Membook. So this is a digital baby book that lives inside of the Nanit app. It is going to curate and collect all of the footage that we see happening in the crib every day, and capture those magical moments that you may be missing while you're at work, or you just aren't, in the nursery to catch maybe the baby's first smile, rolling over for the first time. So this is going to look similar to this. We can see, a time lapse of the baby growing. So that's going to show from newborn to present day. Maybe, you'll see rolling over. So Nanit's going to automatically collect these and put these into a feed, and then the parent can choose, do I want to keep this one? And then you can actually share on social, or you can share with different family members to, share these really magical times that happen in the crib. So Nanit Membook will be available and launching around May of 2020. And then the camera itself, Nanit, is available in 2 different mounting options. We have a floor stand, which is a freestanding mount, and then we also have a wall mount that screws into the wall, and these are both available on Nanit.com as well as Amazon, and available in Bye Bye Baby, Best Buy, and Target.com.
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.